We gave up power, we gave up land, shook their hands, thought we had a plan. They said peace and unity, then made a law to target me. No, we're not taking your farm. We're just changing the law so that we can. The president smiled on TV. No one's taking farms, said he. But back at home, he signed a bill to take our land against our will. You see, we have no intention to expropriate, except when we do. Pull the wool, then blame the sheep. Say we lie, say we're cheap. Say there's peace, then make a rule. Take our rights, then call us cruel. Pull the wool, then blame the sheep. We grow the food, we work the land. They take our tools with lawyer hands. They've got land they never use, but want our farms and call it news. We have millions of hectares lying idle, but yours looks nice and green. They shout reform, they say it's fair, but only want the farms we bear. They leave state land dry and dead, then come for us instead. The land we already have. Oh no! We forgot about that. Pull the wool, then blame the sheep. Say it's law, say it's deep. Say we're wrong to feel afraid while the plans are being laid. Pull the wool, then blame the sheep. If I write a law to take your stuff, then call you racist if you puff, boom! That's reconciliation. Sounds more like confiscation. They say that fear is just a show, but farm attacks still rise, you know. They say the stats don't match the tale, but who reports when justice fails? There's no farm attack crisis, just an increase in isolated coincidences. They mock for forum loud and clear, but it's their laws we need to fear. They fuel the flames, deny the heat, then blame the farmers in the street. Kill the boar? No! That's just freedom of expression. You complaining? That's not hate speech. Pull the wool, then blame the sheep. Say we sow, say they reap. Call it growth, call it change, while everything gets rearranged. Pull the wool, then blame the sheep.
Huh? A government that says one thing and does another is not leading. It's deceiving. You can't build a nation on contradiction. You can't plant justice in the soil of double standards. And you can't blame the sheep when you're the one pulling the wool. And here are the contradictions. We're not taking your land, while passing the expropriation without compensation bill. There will be no land grabs, but drafting legal tools specifically to grab land. Land reform is peaceful, while chanting "kill the boar" goes unpunished. Farms won't be seized, but laws allow seizure without compensation. We support commercial farming, while threatening the very farmers feeding the country. The Constitution protects everyone, while amending it to target one group. We only want unused land, while ignoring millions of hectares of unused state-owned land. There's no farm attack crisis, while farmers die in remote areas with no justice. There's no racial agenda, while policies are clearly race-based. Those who warn are spreading fear, while everything they warned about is unfolding. Makes one think, perhaps that is what 60 million people need. Leaders who lead with the mind. You were not elected to rule us. You were elected to serve us. Serve the whole nation.